Hello everyone. Today let us solve a simple trigonometric problem. The problem statement is to prove tan square theta minus sin square theta is equal to tan square theta into sin square theta. Okay, this is our problem statement which we have to prove. So, to prove this, let's consider LHS and then start solving it from there. Okay, so LHS equal to tan square theta minus sin square theta. Okay, so which is equal to, here let's substitute the value of tan theta. So we all know that tan theta is equal to sin theta divided by cos theta. Okay, so let's substitute it here. In place of tan square theta, we will have sin square theta divided by cos square theta minus sin square theta. Okay, so now we want to have a common denominator. So for that we will have to multiply this, cross multiply the cos square theta with sin square theta and keep it in numerator so that we can put a whole divided by cos square theta. Let's see. So sin square theta remains there and then minus sin square theta into cos square theta. Cos square theta whole divided by cos square theta. Okay. Which is equal to, let's take sin square theta as common. Sin square theta into 1 minus cos square theta divided by cos square theta. Now this is equal to, let's do one thing. So we will keep this sin square theta divided by cos square theta here and then into, so we all know that sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So we already know that. So if in that equation, if we move cos square theta other side, so sin square theta will be equal to 1 minus cos square theta. So sin theta equal to 1 minus cos theta. Sorry, sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. So in place of 1 minus cos square theta, we will substitute sin square theta. Okay. And in place of this sin square theta divided by cos square theta, we will substitute tan square theta. So we know this, right? Sin theta by cos theta is equal to tan theta. So sin square theta by cos square theta is equal to tan square theta. Okay, maybe we can just put that also here. sin theta by cos theta equal to tan theta. Okay, so this we got, and then we retain this sin square theta. Okay, which is our RHS. So this is equal to RHS. So what did we prove? Tan square theta minus sin square theta equal to tan square theta into sin square theta. So we proved this. Okay. Awesome. Thank you so much everyone for joining me in solving this problem. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.
How did you like this video? Let me know in comments. Like and subscribe for more mathematics videos. I'm going to create more videos on a lot of deep concepts like trigonometry, geometry, and many more. And if you have any specific topic suggestions, do let me know in comments. Thank you. Happy problem solving.